Welcome back to a summer-like day in Benidorm town. We are on the Levante Beach. The sun's shining bright and clear, and so many people came towards the Levante Beach promenade. Even though the water itself is already quite cold for swimming, but even so, the promenade is incredible. There's so many things you can do and many things to see. And we can see that the beach is not as packed as it usually is in summer, obviously, but there's plenty of people having walks and enjoying the sunshine. So join us for a lovely and short Benidorm beach walk to discover everything what's going on right now. Surprisingly, the wild duck is quite empty. There's actually no one here on the terrace. And stag and pheasant here, just a few tables. Maybe because it's lunchtime, because it is around 1:30 now. So probably that is one of the reasons why people are having some main meals. Rika's restaurant and cocktail bar. It's going to be gorgeous. I can see all the green colors. This looks amazing. Let me tell you, look at all the plants. Ooh, this is very nice. So there's a lot of building work happening out here to make sure that this place opens up as soon as possible. Even McDonald's, which we like for ice cream personally, and previously for cheeseburgers. This is like a childhood fast food that a lot of us, I'm quite sure, had. Quite a few people here grabbing some coffees, grabbing some ice cream, some snacks, just to sit down on the terrace and enjoy. And Christmas tree reminds us that it is December a month. Even though with the temperatures that we have now, which by the way are around 18 degrees at this very moment, which is peak of heat during daytime, it's the maximum temperatures that we will have, but it's still very good. 18 degrees in December, just 2 weeks before Christmas, more or less. Yeah, practically 2 weeks before Christmas. Plus 18 and some sunshine. What else do we need to enjoy it? Lifeguards are here on board. Someone's even swimming. What in the world? I wouldn't go for a swim. It's too cold for us, but I guess that some people coming from northern countries, for them, the water is still quite nice. People playing beach sports, badminton, or like just in general, football, volleyball, sitting down and enjoying some nice sunshine. There's people who go here towards the beach whole year long. And they're always tanned. For us, previously it used to surprise us, but now we're used to it already. When we see people in February that look so tanned as if it would be summer right now. The Roman cafeteria here, menu of the day, 17 euros. We've tried their menu, if I'm not wrong, some while ago, but we did eventually see that if you get separate things, it is better. But if you get it on the menu, the quality is slightly not the best one. Even though it's 17 euros, it's not the most expensive menu, but still. Hotspot. Ooh, that's something of the week. Okay, 12 euros. By the way, the beach club has a lot of offers here. We love the food here. It's actually very tasty. Both breakfast, smoothies, like milkshakes, different snack options. In summer, they used to do DJ sessions with special cocktails, pizza slices. They have their own pizza oven, by the way, which is incredible. We can find it in Benidorm food playlist. You can find the Bikini Beach. Just put it in search and you'll see the full video of our breakfast out there. Actually, very nice place, and this is one of our favorite ones here on the Levante Beach. Quite a lot of people on the promenade here. You can actually see that it's still very busy. Many people went back, especially Spanish tourists, went back home because we're back on a work day. It's not a holiday weekend anymore. So we are back here. A lot of people are back to their usual jobs and schools and like their usual typical routine in life. So many Spanish tourists, they got back. But international tourists and those who came here to spend a long sunny winter are still here. Hotels are still quite busy. This area will remain vivid probably for the whole, at least, month of December. Hotels are open, especially beach hotels will be open because it is an authentic claim for tourists who are spending here winter. They want to see the beach. They want to be close to it. They want to be by the promenade. It's an easy and fast access to all the facilities, all the entertainment, and all the services that they need. Hence, people prioritize these types of accommodations, something closer to where they actually want to be. And prices for frontline hotels with sea view are not as expensive in winter as they are obviously in summer, but with an exception. Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, the day after, the 26th, 31st and the 1st, and the Three Kings Day, which is in January, at the end of first week of January. These are the most expensive days to stay in hotels. Why? Because these are the days when it's crazy hectic and chaotic in the hotel. That's when there's plenty of restaurants and bars in general that offer Christmas menus, evening or Christmas Day menu, the New Year's Eve, New Year's Day. There's a whole lot of things going on. So these are the most expensive days where you can actually see a hotel room and a full board, including the special menu, for even more than 300 euros a night. And it's not going to be a fancy 5-star hotel either. So it'd be like 3 to 4-star hotels or 4-star superior maximum. So there are some expensive days in December to arrive here, but overall the rest of them are very nice to enjoy. Oh, look at this. The Artigas 2 closed down as well. Probably for holidays. They're closed down now. Usually there's an open air terrace here that we've visited in summer. We've tried their menus. And here, my husband will show you what it is. Restaurant remain closed for holidays from December 9th to December 19th. See you soon. See? In Spanish and in English. So by Christmas, pre-Christmas celebrations, this restaurant will be open back again. It's an authentic Spanish restaurant. We also shown you the complete video about it here on the channel. Once again, Benidorm food playlist. We tried and organized our playlist for us to actually see it better and be able to find the videos. We're still organizing the videos in them, but the vast majority are done. And if you want to search for food, go to Benidorm food videos. There's going to be as many reviews as you could possibly see in one single day or in several. More than enough. Benidorm nightlife. Benidorm today, which is about the news. What's going on in Benidorm, the latest update and the weather forecasts and celebrations and much, much more. Look at that. Benidorm Terrace Beach Terrace, it's called. Looks quite busy. They have happy hours, 2 for 1, from 1 till 5 p.m. That's interesting. That's one way to maintain things busy, actually. Happy hours do attract quite a lot of people. The Lazy Cow does look all ready for Christmas. They have a lot of offers, but since there's less groups, I feel like that's one of the main reasons why the place is quite empty. It's just there's not enough tourists and like groups, especially for these types of establishments, because there's quite a lot of them still open here. The Sol Beach, also one of the many that has beer bucket deals and happy hours every day from 10 to 1 and from 5 till 8. Also a nice place. They also have some nice food and snacks and meals here. Handmade pizza, by the way, too, and like house burgers, etc. Quite nice food. This is the same chain, by the way, if I'm not wrong, than the Bikini Beach. Sol Beach is also from the same owners. Slightly different vibe though, but the food is as good as in the other place. Nearby, full restaurants, which confirms our theory that right now there's not a lot of people in bars with drinks, simply because people are eating some food today. Obviously, this time from anywhere from 12 up until 3:30, that's where tourists and national tourists and locals do have their meals. So that's going to be the busiest time for restaurants or places that offer food, like restaurants, bars, cafeterias, etc. Those that do offer food. Those that mostly specialize in drinks will not have that many people up until past lunchtime. Quite a lot of people. It's curious because there's chairs. There's literally chairs on the paths on the beach where people just put their chair and they just sit down and just enjoy some sunshine, read some books. This is how it is. Well, just look at that. That's very curious, but honestly, just the sound of waves, the sea, the seagulls, the warmth from the sunshine, even though it's not hot at all. But it's just great to be here in Benidorm. There's nothing better than enjoying winter with plenty of sunshine. Look at this. There's even people here on the terraces with some doggies, brushing the doggies, just sitting down on the terrace, enjoying some sunshine. This is a good part of it. We can spend a lot of time outdoors. Let us know if you're coming to Benidorm in winter or in general outside summer season. Do you spend a lot of time outside, or you prefer being somewhere, shopping malls, maybe massages, spas, or bars, cafeterias, restaurants? Do you like having long walks by the beach promenade and enjoy the views or the fresh air? Let us know, our subscribers, slightly better. Oh, this place is nice. This place is very, very nice. I never know how to call it. I think it's Chiringuito Benidorm it's called, because they don't have like a giant name here. But I'm almost sure it's like Chiringuito Benidorm. And this place has incredible food. Oh, absolutely incredible, stunning food. That's why it's always packed. Sometimes it's quite slow, especially if it's busy on the terrace, but food's good, great portions, good price, and it's delicious. We've tried some Benedict eggs and some toast and some breakfast here so far, and it was incredible. And once a week, they also do typical Spanish food for you to try out. Some clouds are coming our way, and boats that are bringing people probably back towards the port, because it's that right there is already the Levante Beach. So probably they're bringing people either from a walk for the view of Benidorm skyline, or this is the boat that's heading straight forward towards Benidorm's island, because I think that they went away from the port. They turned around, and now, because the port's right there, they turned around and now they're heading to Benidorm's island. Probably that is the case. Incredible sunny weather. Looks like summer, feels like summer, but it is almost mid-December. Thank you for accompanying us in today's video, and we'll see you this evening.